some graphing now. We worked the last one on your sheet yesterday. I like to make my table up and down. If you like to make yours sideways, that works too. And we need to pick 4 points for our X. Again, we get to pick those points unless they give them to us. But I'm looking at the fact that I have to, when I plug this in, multiply it by 1/2. So if I have to multiply it by 1/2, I need those numbers to be divisible by 2. You don't have to, but it's easier to graph. I'm gonna pick -2, 0, 2, and 4. And we're going to plug each of my X's into that equation and find out what happens with the Y. If you don't have a calculator, you might want one out. So for my first one, I'm going to take 1/2 times it by my -2 and then subtract 3. The next one, I'm going to take 1/2 times 0, then subtract 3. 1/2 times 2 and subtract 3. 1/2 times 4 and subtract 3. So we just put them in to the X. I picked my X's. You can pick whatever you want. And when I write this out, I'm doing that for you. You do not have to write that out every time. So this gives me -1 minus 3, which is -4. You fill in the rest of that and then graph those points.